If you are looking to own your morning, then add these 6 exercises into your morning routine and you're going to thank me later. What's going on, guys? Ron Rowe here. Welcome all back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another workout. I've put together this quick and effective morning routine, which are basic exercises and are for everyone. Before we're going to start the workout, I'm going to go through each exercise and explain why it's good for you and why it's good to do it in the morning. Each exercise is going to be performed 45 seconds. With 15 seconds break in between. Starting with the first exercise, which is jumping jacks, a great kickstart exercise that warms your body and gets your blood flowing. Moving into number 2, which is push-ups. Activates the upper body strength and engages multiple muscle groups such as chest, shoulders, triceps and core. Now moving into number 3, which is squats. Wakes up your lower body, targets the legs and glutes, which improve mobility, reduce stiffness and prepares your body for the day. Moving into number 4, which is bicycle kicks. Engages the core, which stabilizes your entire body, which helps with posture and prevent lower back pain. Number 5 is mountain climbers. Boost energy and metabolism, helping to elevate your heart rate while also strengthening your shoulders, legs and abs. Now we finish off with number 6, which is a stretching exercise, cat-cow pose or cat-cow. That's it. Relieves morning stiffness after working the muscles. The cat-cow pose is a great way to cool down and stretch your spine.